Do you need to monitor a high traffic area while also wanting non-threatening active deterrence? This just might be the camera for you. What's up, installers? This is Zach with Nelly Security, and today we're talking about this 5 megapixel Vandal Dome camera with HDMI connectivity. Let's go. So let's get right into the specs. This Vandal Dome camera has a 5 megapixel quality with a maximum frame rate of 30 frames per second. There are some lower quality options like 4 megapixel, 3 megapixel, and all the way down to 2 megapixel options. Lowering the resolution doesn't increase the frame rate though, so just keep in mind that 30 frames per second is the max that you'll achieve with this camera. It has an IP67 weather rating and an IK10 vandal proof rating. With these ratings combined with its ONVIF capability and NDAA compliance, this is a great camera for any setup. With its HDMI connectivity, you can transmit this camera's live feed directly to a public-facing monitor. This is that non-threatening active deterrence I mentioned. There are no alarms or blinking lights, just a simple awareness that, hey, you're on camera. Additionally, this does have a built-in mic at the top, so you're able to hear what's going on around you as well. So let's get this set up here and see what all it can do. Setting this camera up is super easy and it follows the usual steps you can expect. Simply unscrew the cover and drill the base into the wall or the ceiling that you're attaching this camera to. Once that's good to go, you can reattach that Vandal Dome to cover it up. This camera is PoE, so you're able to cut down on the number of cables that you're using. However, the HDMI is a separate cable run, so keep that in mind while you're setting this up, that if you're wanting to use this HDMI cable, which you probably are if you're buying this camera, you will need to factor in the space that a separate cable will take up. Since we're using a branded camera and NVR, plug and play kicks in right away, and we have the HDMI cable running to this monitor right here.
Building a security business from the ground up is hard. Why do it alone? Our experienced tight-knit team can help you out. Become a member of our free-to-join dealer program today to gain access to growth tools like free branding on all the blank cameras and recorders you purchase from us. We only sell high-quality NDAA compliant security products, so free standard branding is a game changer. Our dealers also get perks like competitive pricing, referrals, lifetime tech support from real experts, and an entire downloadable marketing library built for installers. Here you get exclusive downloadable content like security camera sample footage and other valuable marketing assets. Also available are custom white label videos with no Nelly's branding attached whatsoever, so you can download and use them for your own business however you want. Our dealer program is 100% free to join and comes with so much value. What are you waiting for? Sign up to become a dealer today. We'd love to have you.
Let's jump now into the web interface and take a look at all the features that it has. So I mentioned this camera is really good for monitoring high traffic areas. Why is that? Well, it includes some really powerful intelligent capabilities. For instance, you have perimeter protection and people flow counting. It doesn't come up often that you need a camera to track people in and out of the frame, but this camera might be the best use case for this feature. If you have this camera displaying its live feed on a monitor nearby, it's probably watching some type of entrance or exit to a building. If that's the case, the people counting group of intelligent tracking might be the best option to choose. Within this, you have 2 options: people flow counting and crowd density monitoring. So what are those? The settings in people flow counting allows you to set specific thresholds and detection areas. The default ones are pretty solid, but you can tailor them to your needs. For each threshold crossed, you can customize the type of alarm or response the system makes. While people flow counts the specific amount of people entering or exiting over time, crowd density monitoring keeps track of the amount of people in a given area. People flow counting is going to be more important for the entrance to a store, whereas crowd density monitoring would probably be more important in an area like a concert, for instance. For apps, if you have the labeled camera, you're going to want to use UniEase or UniTools Pro, and if you have the non-branded version, you'll want to use GuardLive or GuardLive Pro. This camera works phenomenally outside at night or in indoor settings. By default, the camera operates with a smart illumination mode active. We tried to test the infrared lights at night, but this camera is able to pick up color so well that the streets outside weren't dark enough. So here's what it looks like in a completely dark room. So that's it for today's video about the 5 megapixel HDMI Vandal Dome camera. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.